Welcome everyone. In today's video presentation we are going to learn how to create user profile in Dragon Medical Practice Edition 4.2. Dragon Medical Practice Edition 4.2 is the latest version which is available in India, and we are from Icons Infocom Private Limited Company. We are the official distributor for the Dragon product in India. Now Dragon product comes with a unique login ID password. All you have to do is put on your logins credentials on your screen and you are ready to use this software. So if you are a first time user, this window will appear. All you have to do is select create, then go on to your accent, select Indian English accent. After that you can select whichever specialty you are from. For example, if you are a radiologist, you select a radiology profile. If you are a cardiologist, you select a cardiology profile. So what we are going to do is we select medical and then we click on next. Now Dragon Medical Practice Edition 4.2 will automatically identify the microphones which is connected to your computer. For this demo we are using PowerMic, so we click next. That's it. We are ready to use the software. Once it is done, we have to click on the cursor where we want to dictate and it will start typing it from there. Now let's check the accuracy, how good the accuracy is. Open Microsoft Word. The patient is 71-year-old female who has presented in the emergency room last evening for approximately 7 to 8 days of history of abdomen pain. Full stop, new line. She has had no nausea and vomiting but has a persistent associated anorexia. Full stop, new line. Her bowel movements are okay. Full stop, new line. She denies any bright red blood per rectum. No history of recent melena. Full stop. Her last colonoscopy was done approximately 5 years ago. She has had no definite fevers or chills and no history of jaundice. The patient denies any significant recent weight loss. Full stop. As you can see, I have dictated a few reports on this and you can see the accuracy of this. It's much more easier and very much faster. That's all.